Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. It's going to be a really quick update for you. I've got a few things I need to make you aware of if you're not looking at the overall kind of broader market and what is going on. As you can see on the screen, Shib is moving up. It's got a nice little small pump going, and fully expect that to continue because we got some good news today as it relates to the overall broad markets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as some stuff that the Fed is doing, as well as the situation with China Evergrande company. We're going to look at all that and kind of how it's going to impact the SHIB price moving forward. Again, I'm going to keep this really sweet and kind of short and show you guys what I think is going to happen. Okay, so right here, right now, trading at about 4.5%. By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Fully expect this trend to continue. If you look at the overall kind of market that's going on, you've got a really nice broad rally going on from being down 4 or 5% earlier last night, and probably all day around 2 to 3% down, and then but we have a nice rally, starting to take shape. Bitcoin up almost 5%, Ethereum up 8%, Cardano running really, really nicely. That's just evidence and show that Cardano was just being, held down by kind of what was going on in the broader market conditions. Overall, again, it's a SHIB video, but you need to look at it in the context of everything that's going on, okay? And so before I get to the piece of content, I need to make you aware. I've got my Patreon links in the description below. Would love to have you join if you're interested. By the way, I just added this new save 15% if you want to pay annually feature. So that's something that if you're looking to save a little bit of money and join in that scenario, I would love to have you. I will look at your, you don't have to pay annually. You can that's just one option, right? I try to keep it as cheap as possible. You can join and cancel anytime. By the way, if you want me to look at your portfolio, give you help. I spent 2 hours plus today looking at portfolios and helping people and guiding them and, just helping them navigate these waters. You also get to see my portfolio, everything I'm doing, and I made some big moves in the last week or so. Okay, with some stuff I think is going to go really, really nicely. It's going to pump really well. Okay. So what I wanted to really talk to you about was that we saw these prices, right? How these prices are really kind of soaring. And if you look at kind of the overall 24-hour trend, you got Arweave really running, Terra's going, Cosmos, that's one of the ones I own. Love that. That's awesome. Phantom, I love that one. I own that one. Polkadot, I own that one. And these are all ones that I knew would take off, okay? But what's happening is you got the overall market soaring, and again, SHIB's rising with it because the Fed is committed to printing, and Evergrande plans to pay its debt. I got it highlighted in green here just to kind of update you really quickly. So it looks like China Evergrande is avoiding bankruptcy because, and if that would have happened, that would have sparked a global decline in financial markets. Period. End of story. It would have been catastrophic. They've at least right now have avoided that. So these concerns have been put to rest because Evergrande has come to an agreement with bondholders to technically avoid defaulting on its obligations. Okay, I think this is a continuing evolution, continue evolving scenario, but right here, right now, we've got a solution in place which kind of staves off any this possible bankruptcy of China Evergrande and the impact, that was going to have on the overall markets. Okay, that's number one. So that's good news. All right, and number two, the U.S. Fed Reserve Chairman Powell has explained that the central markets will continue their current level of monthly bond purchases for the foreseeable future. Powell also signaled that a hike in interest rates could come as soon as 2022. It's looking good there. We had some other things related to this kind of continuing, regulatory scenario that's coming, guys. We all know that there's going to be regulatory, say that really fast, things coming into play where, the IRS is going to start taxing, profits and gains and things like that. They've been doing that in the stock market forever. It's coming. It's just, don't shoot the messenger, right? It's just going to happen. But again, I wanted to kind of make you guys aware of what is transpiring. Again, it's a real quick update. I really think that SHIB is going to continue to roll as the rest of the broader market rolls up. We're going to continue to see some nice movement up. And again, I'm very happy with a 4.5+% roll up. What I don't want to see is a sell-off after this. If you look at kind of the trading view chart, we got a nice trend line moving up here. I want to continue to see that right there go up, move on up. Okay. With that said, I wanted to give you a quick update. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night, and I'll see you later. Take it easy.